गायत्री मंत्र। ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति। Thursday prayer. Dear God, help us spend today with a smile on our face, love in our heart, joy in His grace, spreading happiness around all day. Help us to remember today with a refreshed mind, knowledge to start, to be patient and kind, growing in wisdom all day.
Good morning, SWS. Togetherness is known as getting into companionship or close association. Today is Thursday, known as Gurwar Ka Gaurav. Let us understand togetherness through a short story. In a little town, far away from other people, there wasn't enough food to eat. The people were poor and they held on to whatever they had. They did not share. One day, a stranger came into town. Nobody greeted him. They just stared at him and wondered if he was a robber. The man was friendly and waved at the people. They did not like this and were scared that he wanted their food, so they shouted, "Go away, we do not have any food for you." The man just smiled and said, "It's okay, I don't want your food. I am here to make you a big pot of stone soup. There will be enough for everybody to eat." The people had no clue what stone soup was, but they were curious and they all moved closer to the man, asking him to tell them how he will make it. He took a big pot from his bag, found some firewood and made a fire. He poured water into the pot and picked up a large stone and put it on the pot. "Stone soup is so delicious. I have made it for many people. Now I just need some salt." "Can I have some of the soup if I give you some salt?" an old woman asked. The stranger said that he will share with her if she brought him some salt. She quickly ran to her house and came back with some salt. The stranger poured it into the pot. The other people also wanted to have a taste of this wonderful soup, so they all went home and brought one scrap of food to put into the pot. They brought some carrots and peas and peppers and meat, whatever they could find in their house that could be added to the pot. Soon the pot was boiling with all the good things to eat, brought by all the people of the whole town. When the soup was finished, there was enough for everyone to eat. They brought their best dishes and spoons and started dishing up for everybody. They all were enjoying the soup and could not believe how great it tasted. "This is the best stone soup we have ever tasted," they all said. But don't you see? By working together and each one of us just giving something small to put into the pot, we could feed the whole town, the stranger said. That day, the people of the town learned that if each one just do something small, it will amount to something big. Thank you. Thought of the day. When we stand together, there is no limit to what we can achieve. I repeat, thought of the day. When we stand together, there is no limit to what we can achieve. Two new words of the day are render, R-E-N-D-E-R, meaning give interpretation of. Second word, venture, Venture, meaning proceed somewhere despite the risk of possible dangers. Fact of the day: more people visit France than any other country. Today's news is as follows. National news: Republic TV editors arrest, misuse of state power, says Home Minister Amit Shah. International news: German minister warns of explosive situation in US. Sports news: Rohit is mature enough to do what's best for him, says Saurav Ganguly. Thank you.
Requesting everyone to rise up and stand straight for the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंग विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंग तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण